Hi, Dr. Jack Zoumaras here at Artiste Plastic Surgeon, one of the plastic surgeons and founder of Artiste Plastic Surgery. Now you may ask yourself, why Dr. Jack Zoumaras and why Artiste Plastic Surgery? And that's a good question to ask. Whenever you're considering aesthetic facial surgery, especially of the face, it's important to have trust in the doctor and the clinic that you go to. At Artiste Plastic Surgery, we've been open for 4 years on our own now, and me as a plastic surgeon, I've been a plastic surgeon for 7 years, and I've trained in Paris and New York, as well as Sydney and Adelaide here in Australia. Now at Artiste Plastic Surgery, our patients love us. We pride ourselves on the journey that you have, and we are there for you all the time. But why me as a plastic surgeon? Well, what I can tell you guys now is I just focus on the face. I predominantly do facial procedures. So my day-to-day life as a plastic surgeon is to see patients, whether it's a facelift, neck lift, rhinoplasty or eyelid surgery, or chin or cheek implants or hairline lowering, and then we perform this surgery on the other day. So I, from this year 2019, am just purely focusing on the face, where I only operate on the face, whether that be rhinoplasty, facelift surgery or eyelid surgery. So you can take great faith in the fact that I'm always focused on operating on the face, and I've positioned myself as a specialist in the face. Now in terms of credentials, I'm a plastic surgeon. I'm an Australian trained plastic surgeon, so I'm a member of the Australian Society of Plastic Surgeons. I'm actually a member of the Australian Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgeons and the International Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgeons, and I was trained by the Royal Australian College of Surgeons, and for the purposes of the Australian Medical Board, I'm a specialist plastic surgeon. So only specialist plastic surgeons can call themselves a plastic surgeons. So that's my credentialing. Further to my credentialing, I've done a further 1.5 years specifically in facelift surgery in worldwide centres in New York and Paris. And as I've mentioned, when I opened Artiste Plastic Surgery, I've been purely focusing on the face, and this year I'm just focusing on the face. I'm actually the current secretary of the Australian Society of Plastic Surgeons, where we organise our quarterly meetings to discuss everything plastic surgery. I'm also on an ethics board with the Plastic Surgery Education Council, where essentially we're talking about making sure that a person having plastic surgery is doing it for the right reason and to support their journey before, during and after the operation. I'm also the current face expert for Vogue in 2019, so you can be assured when you come to Artiste Plastic Surgery and you come and see me for a facelift that you've definitely chosen the right clinic and the right surgeon. I'll be 100% sure that I'll be dedicated to your surgery both before the procedure, during the procedure and afterwards, and I will not stop until you're absolutely happy with what your face looks like. So look forward to seeing you here at Artiste Plastic Surgery to discuss your facelift journey.